Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is not how you usually see me, but we're just gonna have to make it do what it do. So today I'm taking out my passion twist that my lovely roommate Joy did before spring break, before coronavirus started acting a fool. And as you can see, my hair is pretty grown out at this point. It's been over a month, so I'm taking them out and then I'm doing a twist out. So let's get started. So I finished taking out my twists, passion twist. This is what it's looking like. My hair has grown a lot. If you watched my earlier videos, you know my hair was hella short last summer. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. I need to wash my hair. I'm probably going to brush this out, wash my hair, and then I'll be back when I'm actually doing the twist out. Here's like a mini length check. Hold on. So this is the bottom. It comes down to my collarbone. The front is to my top lip, and the middle is to my chin. So yeah, see y'all soon. Hey y'all, so I'm just letting you guys know that I brushed out all my hair. It's sectioned off, and I am going to take a shower in a few and wash my hair. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I have my hair in 6 sections, and yeah, I'm about to start doing the twist, and then I'll show you like how I do my front twists, and then I'll do like a time lapse of me finishing the rest of them. So I'm gonna be starting with this front section just to show you what I do. My hair is low porosity, so I have to use like milks and stuff and like light things so it actually penetrates my hair and hydrating things. So the products I'm going to be using are Just For Me natural hair milk. I actually don't have that much left in this, so I might have to switch to my spray bottle and then put some hair milk in here, so that's probably going to happen. I'm doing Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'll be using a little bit of Eco Styler gel. And I'm not going to be using too much gel because I don't want my hair to be hard. And then also with this, you can use like a foam or a mousse. That would be probably better for a twist out so your hair isn't hard. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by sectioning off maybe this big of a section. Because I only want, yeah. And they don't really have to be perfect sections. Okay. And then I'm going to section it off. I don't know where my big clip is, so I'm just going to use these. So, hair milk. Work that through. Get your ends. You can use your comb. Get your quenching. And you really don't need that much. This is how much I'm using. Putting it through. Working it through. Make sure you get your ends. Boom. Then you take Teenser's bit of Eco Styler. Put this through. Put it on your roots, put it on your ends. I want a little bit more of my roots. Look at that, it's cute. And then I like to brush it through. I don't like to do twist outs on my hair that's too wet because then it doesn't dry correctly. So take your hair and twist it. And towards the back of my hair is more kinkier, so I'll probably braid the top instead of just twisting all the way down. This is low-key a small twist. But I like to have this one like towards the bottom, just one at the bottom, just based on how my hair is parted, so I guess it'll have to be a small twist. And I still have conditioner on my scalp, but it's okay. It adds to the moisture. And then once you get to the end, finger coil, boom, and it should stay. So yeah, that's how I do my twist. I'll show you another one since this was kind of a small twist. Yeah. So once again, take your hair, section it off. And then I'm gonna do this one in 2 different sections. Boom. And then just put the section you're not working with out the way. So, hair milk. Auntie Jackie's Quench. Brush it through. Make sure it gets on your ends. Teeny bit of Eco Styler. Brush it through. Split the hair. Twist. Boom. 2 twists done. Okay, so now I'm just gonna twist the rest of my head regularly, like how I just showed you guys, and speed it up and do a time lapse because it's gonna be pretty repetitive and I'm gonna be doing the same thing. And also it's kind of hard to look into the camera and record and do all of that while doing your hair. I don't know how the beauty YouTubers be doing it, but okay. See y'all. Twist, and what I like to do when I finish them is I pull them and then put a clip so it kind of stretches them, so that's what's going on right now. And then yeah, I just have to wait for them to dry, so I'll probably be back in like 2 days because my hair takes a good minute to dry. Like I said, my hair is low porosity and I have type 4 hair. I feel like the porosity is more important than the type of your hair because the type of your hair basically just tells you how it looks. The porosity tells you how to take care of it. So yeah, I will be back when I'm taking out my twists, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I know I said I was gonna wait 2 days, but my hair dried quicker than I thought it was going to. So I'm going to take them out. I know a lot of people say put oil on your hands and take out your twist, but I simply don't like doing that because it makes my hair too heavy and oily. So I like to use hairspray, and this is Oil Sheen and Conditioning Spray Motions with Moisture Replenish Blend and jojoba oil. So what I like to do is spray it, give it a little sheen. Okay, boom. Then spray my hands, rub them together, and that's how I take them out. And when I'm taking out my twists, I like to twist them first around so they get looser, see? And then where you see them separating, naturally separating, take it apart. See how defined that is? Do you see? Do you see the magic? Period. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of my head. Okay, so I finished taking out all of my twists. As you can see, it's giving defined, babes. It's giving coils, okay? So, we don't want it this defined. I mean, if you want it this defined, do you, babes? But for me, I want to give the girls volume. I want to give the girls, I just stepped out into the vacation spot. Even though we're on quarantine, I want to look like vacation. I want to look with like the breezes blowing through my hair, love, okay? And I want a little volume. So what we're going to do is, so I like how my roots are already kind of a little puffy. Like, I do like that look. In my younger days, I didn't like that look. I was all about the definition, but I say, you know what, I have type 4 hair, so it's going to do what it's going to do. And we're going to have to love it, live it, and learn it. So I like the look now. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to take your little thing, boom. Give your roots just a teensy little volume. And this helps to get rid of your, what's it called? The parts that you made. So you're just gonna do this throughout, just so it's not so flat to your head. And we're not combing out the twist, babes. We're just doing the roots. Okay. Spray, get your hairspray again. And we're just gonna put it all over to give it a nice sheen. Okay. Why do I feel like something just bit me? I don't know what that is, but it's okay. So now, you're just gonna take apart some random pieces. Boom. You don't want to pull it too hard, but you're gonna pull it like this, stretch it out. Feel where it naturally separates and just go like that, because you don't want it, I don't want it to be too defined. I'm just gonna take random pieces. It's still a little defined. I don't really like doing the bottom because it's gonna get a little frizzy anyway when I sleep on it, so it's fine. I usually just do it towards the top and middle. And I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick so y'all can get the full effect and put like a little shirt on, some earrings, whatever, so y'all can see how cute it looks. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look for the Twistout. I like it. I think it's really cute, really summertimey, and yeah. hope you guys like it. I hope it was information